According to my database, we are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Drek's high-value experiments.
Well, I'll give him this. He stays busy. Let's go see what he's been making.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
They traded on for the ship! Call Lord! Grab whatever ammo you can find and open fire!
Mr. Zircon intends to rectify this. I shall let you live, little alien. Psych! Mr. Zircon lives only to kill. You thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zircon.
I'm supposed to be on vacation today!
Flee! Flee before Mr. Zircon! Greetings, soon-to-be-dead alien! Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon?
Look at this baby. Ain't she a beaut? Automatic lock, Irish acidic payload.
Take out the law backs!
Mr. Zircon is not
Enemy down!
Mr. Zircon lives here. Mr. Zircon lives now.
Unauthorized weapon removal detected. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
Explore property!
This doesn't look good.
Ship will self-destruct in 20 seconds.
Come on!
Oh dear.
Ship will self-destruct in 10 seconds.
We should go to Planet Gaspar and find out what Dr. Nefarious is up to.
Looks like the Predator launcher could use an upgrade. Oh, I'll give you a good deal on that one. That's how it's done! Check out my inventory. I got the best deals in...
Which planet should we go to?
We must learn what Nefarious is up to on Planet Gaspar.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Ha ha ha! Mr. Zircon is You are not fit to fight Mr. Zircon. Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first lesson. Mr. Zircon is born.
Weapons here, locked and loaded.
Where to next?
We must learn what Nefarious...
All right, let's go find you a new
Ratchet dreamed
jetpack.
of riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
It's my charming personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it?
Nefarious has built quite the operation here.
You're not kidding. Let's check this place out and see what we can find.
Mr. Zurkon.
Enemy down.
These are the moments Mr. Zurkon lives for. Greetings.
Got a groove
Didn't know what wonderful about Mr.
You're one dead rabbit.
Five little dead little aliens.
Reinforced door. Why does everything have to be made of dense alloy?
I will try not to be offended by that.
He's got a Groovitron!
No one warned you about Mr. Zurkon. Hello, stinky aliens. Mr. Zurkon does not come in peace.
I see we have visitors. It's the latest crop of galactic morons. I hope you like my facility. Because you're never ever leaving!
I shall let you live, little alien. Sigh.
Nice.
Zurkon lives only to kill. Zurkon lives only to kill. Wimpy creature, you fight like an infant bird fly. Mr. Zurkon is here to kill. Mr. Zurkon cannot wait to kill him. You look like you could do with a good killer. Do you remember Mr. Zurkon? No one warned you about Mr. Zurkon? Mr. Zurkon is looking to kill you. Mr. Zurkon delivers a symphony.
Robots are down. Come on, we better keep moving.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Did no one warn you about Mr. Zircon? Flee before Mr. One little dead little aliens. 4 little 5 little dead little aliens. You remember Mr. Zircon?
To the Lombax heaven.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Enemy down.
No one warned you about Mr. Zircon. Do you know how to be killed? Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first lesson.
Lombax, you ain't gonna win.
Enter my secret project. Will one of you morons stop them?
Out of ammo. More warbots coming our way.
tripad lock. In order to bypass it, the duo would have to quickly activate all 3 pressure pads.
Cool! Grind boots!
Oh, look, they got... Ratchet dreamed of riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
Sweet!
In that completely unlikely location is where Ratchet found a shiny new pair of grind boots. With his grind boots strapped on, Ratchet leapt onto the rail. Still on the hunt for the jetpack, Ratchet used his newfound grind boots to explore the planet further.
Ammo full!
Mr. Zircon can't...
Weapons here! I got...
Ratchet stylishly leapt onto the rail next to him.
Detecting Versa mines ahead.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. These are the weapons Mr. Zircon lives for.
Ratchet would be able to use this refueling station as soon as he collected the jetpack.
He's down!
4 little, 5 little, 10 little idiots.
Hey, Lombax, come here. Don't worry, I'm a friend. I know who you are. You're the Lombax and the Warbot from the news.
Oh, and you must be the faceless minion helping Drek terrorize the galaxy.
That's just my day job. My real passion is in amateur neuroscience. I've been collecting brains from telepathopuses as a hobby for about a year now.
You collect brains as a hobby? I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you're single.
Studying brains is a noble pursuit. If I can tap into the psychic powers of these telepathopuses, I'll be able to raise an army. Then we'll see who thinks they can steal my food out of the company fridge. I mean, I can contribute to the good of all blog kind. Say, if you can collect a few telepathopus brains for me, I'll give you this jetpack. Way to go! A complete set!